Hello, this is Harvey J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a box in front of me. I have some skin protector tempered glass for my iPhone 12. You can see I have my iPhone 12 here, and I bought some skin protector for it. 3 together is a pack of 3 I have bought in AliExpress. 3 to 4 euro I paid for this one, could be $5, but I have 3. I'm gonna use my knife to tear this pack off. Very simple. And I have the box, protective box, goods. I like this type of box when they send me. So normally this type of product from AliExpress, they send you this type of box. Okay, let me take this off. Wow, it's 3, so they send me 3 or 4 pieces of cleaner, wiper, dry and wet, both together. One side, yeah, thank you for buy. And 1, you see 1, 2, 3 and 4. I forget it is 4 pieces. Let me take off 1. Here we go. You see, this is tempered glass skin protector, very high quality. And the special about it, this is for the, if you have some protector the body, there's some shell on your phone, so it will go over that. You don't need to take it out, it will fit exactly on that. So now I'm gonna assemble one of them so you can see. I think all of them are the same, so I have 4 for the future. If I want, I sell them out. So good. Put here 3 and 4 of them, and I will put all of them inside, and 1 I will use. So what I will do first, I will clean one of my cotton. You see the good quality soft cotton to clean the skin. Here we go. I clean it properly. Let's see. Here we go again and again. I don't want to take my cover off because I want it sits between my cover. So I clean again and again. I can do now. I will use their product. Take one of these. You have 2 in this. You see, one wipe is removed for the dust, remove exceed 1 and 2. First one is wet. You see here wet. Second one is dry. So I tore apart the wet one. Here we go, is wet. So good. Let me clean it. It's really wet. Okay. Clean all the way. Should not remain no dust, no piece of dust, anything, because later that will cause some problems. So I do it thoroughly. Take your time, relax. Okay, I think this is done. Put one side. The next I have here, that is dry one. So I tore apart from this part, and I take this off from here. Small piece. See? Here we go. Fine, and I clean with this one thoroughly. So I take all the dust from here. Let me check. I think it's fine, it's clean properly. Now we'll go to this one. As you see, this tempered glass, this is the back side is right in here. You have to peel this off, and you have to leave this one as this. You don't need to do anything else. So what I do, I peel this off. You see this part totally, it's fine. And now this you have to leave exactly as this. If you want, put the skin on so you can see exactly the line of the display, and you have to leave this on that. That's all. I don't do anything. You see how it is taking. Wait 1 or 2 minutes if you want. Where you see that here I have something, and this part I have something. So you can see how is the final product. See, it look beautiful. Most important, it can protect your glass, okay, no matter what happen. Some places there's some bubble remains. In 1 or 2 days they will disappear. So the most important, it will protect your glass no matter what happen. So this is unboxing, also applying skin protector or tempered glass to your iPhone 12. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.